Welcome to my channel. Let's make tasty potato balls. So these are my list of ingredients. Mash your boiled potato. Mash it very well. Add some cornstarch to it. After which you add your egg, then mix it very well. After mixing it, you add some of your mixed vegetable. Add your mixed vegetable. Then you start adding all the spices. All the spices will go in now. This is the moment you put all the spices, your seasoning cube, your curry powder, paprika, salt, onion. If you also want to add some spices like maybe your thyme, your rosemary, this is the stage you add everything. These are the ones I'm using. You add them to your taste. If you want spicy, if you want it spicy, you add it to the spicy. Then you mix it very well to form a dough. When it has formed the dough, you have to mold it at this stage. You have to mold it to form the potato balls. But before you do that, you grease your pan. Rub some vegetable oil so it won't stick to the pan. Then you flatten it and stuff in your cheese inside it. Then you mold it. You mold it to form a ball. After doing this, repeat the same process to the others. Over to the next stage, we have to heat up our vegetable oil. Use enough vegetable oil for this recipe. Then when you heat up the vegetable oil, make sure the oil is very hot. When it is hot, turn the flame to medium. Then you start throwing in your potato balls inside it. Gently place them inside the hot oil. Be careful, don't allow this to splash on your body, on your face. After doing this, don't overstuff them inside there. Just gently place them. Allow it to fry very well. You have to fry this allow it to turn golden brown before you take it off the heat. You can see it's golden brown, so it's time to take it off the heat. Yes, our potato ball is ready. This potato ball is very tasty. You need to try it. You can enjoy it with your ketchup or your egg sauce or some stew. You can also take it like that because it's very tasty, very tasty. You can enjoy it with my ketchup. Very tasty. Oh, this is delicious. Oh, then with the egg sauce, the same thing, very tasty. Try this recipe. You thank me. It's very delicious and tasty. One good thing with this recipe is you can use it as your breakfast, as your snacks. It's really tasty and delicious. At least you deviate from the regular boiled potato, fried potato chips, or potato soup. So you use it just as if you are making your buns or your puff. So thank you for watching till this moment. See you in my next video. Please always watch my video. Always watch my video and subscribe. Bye.